Back again to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. And on today's tutorial, I have a Korean beauty mask, a collagen mask. So this product says that it stimulates hold on. The product provides enough moisture and nutrition to the skin exposed by the stimulation from outside, and it's an active component from protective coat that helps moisture not to evaporate to moisture your skin, moisturizer and softener, make your skin healthy, energetic and clear. Okay, and as well as stimulates the collagen in the skin. So it looks, I see a lot of people testing this mask out, and I decided I'm gonna put this mask to test. Let me be sure that this mask works and all that before I can say something about this. This is a collagen ultra hydrated essence mask. So from what I read, it says that this helps to stimulate the collagen in the skin, to help to simulate collagen. You just moisture hydrate your face, blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna wear this mask for 20 to 30 minutes. That was a long time for me, but let's see how it works. So sorry, I need to show you how this product looks like. I don't know if you have seen it. I've seen a lot of people testing out, and so this is how the bag is. So I'm going to put this mask to test before I can certainly say that this mask works. Personally, I don't like masks. Okay, it doesn't give you a you understand, it just give you an instant result that doesn't stay even to the next day. So that's probably the reason why I don't really like the kind of beauty masks. I don't like wearing this mask, but let's put it to test. One thing I understand about this mask is just hydration. Hydrate the skin. If you're always on the go, I recommend it's just hydration. And asking this hydration, it needs it. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this mask. Okay, so good stuff. So let's see. Okay, look at what my skin looks like now, and we're gonna check so that we see whether this will give us a visible results. That's the way we know that this product works. And if my face still look like this way, then I'll die. Okay, where is the mouth? Okay, this is the face. This is the oh my god, it feels so good. Oh my god, it's just like oh my god, so good. So I'm gonna just make sure. Okay, that's good. Well, I think that these masks are good when you want immediate results. When you want immediate result. Okay, that's what one thing I like about it. But after that, your skin goes back to the way it used to be. But skincare game, I don't really like to waste my money on this product or on this kind of face masks. But since this one is a lot, I see a lot of people wearing it, I was like, okay, let me test this product and see how it works. I know that some face masks works greatly, but so I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes I'm gonna come back so we can view this result together. Okay, so guys, so it's 30 minutes. I've got this for about 30 minutes, and I think it's time for us to review the skin, see what the skin looks like, whether it works or whether it doesn't work. So I'm gonna put it, start from the up. Okay. Oh, okay. One thing I can say that it brightens up the face. Okay, it brightens up the face and hydrate your face. I'll just go and take a little bit, squeeze of the juice goodies inside here to just lavish it on my face. Okay. Whatever is left, let's just use it to lavish the face. Put all this good stuff on the skin. So I think that it just brighten up the skin. The skin needs to brighten up. That's one thing, as it brighten up the skin within this short time and hydrate the skin. The skin looks so hydrated. And so I think that's all I can say about this mask. What do you think? Does it do anything extra? That it does anything extra apart from brightening the skin and just hydrating the skin? So let me have it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and yeah, give it this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.